Struggling with the Google Ads ROS, Google Ads ROS, return on ad spend. For those who don't know the meaning of ROS, hey Ali, hi. I've been running campaigns for an e-commerce brand and SaaS company. SaaS means software as a service company, looking to scale on Meta plus Google. Okay, that's very good. The e-commerce brand had a few sales, then ROS tanked to 0.5 after a few days on Meta. The SaaS web analytics product tried multiple angles in the market, like a low ticket course, $39, and a low ticket website setup, and struggled to get any sales after 3K in spend. The SaaS also tried keywords on Google, but the CPC ate pretty budget pretty fast. Do you have any suggestions on on essentials to make sure we are hitting at least 2.5 hours with new traffic for the lower traffic, for the low ticket on one-time purchase? Please help getting crushed over here. So you have asked a very difficult question. Okay, I think with high, okay, this is not a high-end product, but I'm telling you that either you need to give the funnel approach. The funnel approach is where basically what happens is that you offer them something of free, so that you can grab that email and then start communicating with the email, build relationship, and then later on turn around. And the product you are giving for free also has a link towards their main product. Now this is one approach now that works usually for majority of the companies, which I recommend you. But now I think there can be few tweaks now, because you did not share the landing page part, so landing page part is missing. So I do not know on the landing page part, but apart from the landing page, I would analyze my competitors landing page to see if they are offering anything better. Or you can also have a free lead form on your website, which eventually tell that the people who have pre-sales questions answer to them, or even AI chat support, or a link to WhatsApp support. This could be the reason, because sometimes people have second questions before they buy. So I think these are the factors, could be a reason. Now I need to install Clarity to see what the user analytical behavior is on your website, but I'm just giving you this data because I do not have access to your real campaign. And another thing is, if it's running for some time, you need to give, because the ROS keeps on fluctuating, is your quality score declined? Quality score also plays a crucial role. So is that declined? And apart from this, regarding what you said regarding the Google, I think that the keywords need to have intent based keywords work, not always those keywords which have traffic. And ad optimization also plays a crucial role, along with the ad schedules, timing, figuring out what locations are working well for you, ad search terms. So a lot is the reasons why you are struggling with the poor ROS at the Google. So you need to figure out those. And let me show you this one as well, just a second. So what I'm going to tell you, that this is one of the ad preview tool, and now this is a normal ad which people advertise. But my intent is that you need your ad to have a lot of assets in it. So they were previously known as extensions, but now they are assets. What happens is that they increases your authenticity and the trust. So see around over here. So this increases your authenticity, and people are much more likely to buy from this site. So same is with the landing page. How optimize your landing page? You are paying visitors to land on your website, and if your experience is not good, then you will always be struggling with your ROS. So which is why there are so many factors to look before I decide on the poor ROS. So look around on these things, optimize and improve. And this is how we improved, and this is how I recommend you to improve. So I hope I was able to explain to you on why you are struggling with the poor ROS on the Google ads. The similar strategies could be used for the Meta as well, because I think that even with the Meta ads like Facebook or Instagram, I need to know your page. A funnel can be a very helpful, or you can do a retargeting combination, like you can do retargeting on the Meta for the people who visit on Google ads. So make a combination of this. This can help you in increasing your sales. And offering a free form, free book, or something free, or general or a direct lead form campaign on the Meta ads can also be helpful. So yeah, these are the few of the queries on struggling with Google ads or Meta ads or ROS. So I hope this defines, but again, a detailed audit can tell better. So if you need a professional audit, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. We are known as AARSWEBS.com, and we help clients with as the Google partner. And the link is mentioned in the description of this video. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to working with you. Take care. Bye bye.